Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Reza Palevi. Hello everyone, welcome to this brief overview of Part 3, Data from Dale T. Griffith's book, An Introduction to Second Language Research Method, Design and Data. So in this video, we'll explore how language teacher and researcher can choose and use different data collection instruments to make their research more valid, reliable, and meaningful. So let's get started. Part 1, Introduction to Data Collection Instrument. This part begins by reminding us that a research design is only as strong as data we collect. Griffith explained that no single method works for every research question. Instead, we must select instruments that fit our specific goal. To ensure our data are trustworthy, we must focus on this thing: validity. Does the tool measure what we want to measure? Reliability. Are the results consistent over time? And triangulation, using multiple tools to check and strength or finding. He also point out the practical and ethical aspect of data collection. For example, always get consent and protect privacy. This introduction set the stage for four key instruments: questionnaire, interview, observation, and diary or journal. So we move to part 2, data from questionnaire. The first instrument is the questionnaire, which is very common when you need data from many people quickly. A good questionnaire is not just a list of random questions. Each question should be clear, unbiased, and directly connected to your research purpose. Griffith explained the difference between closed questions, which are easy to analyze, and open questions, which let people share more ideas but take longer to study. Before sending out the questionnaire, it's smart to test it on small group first. This helps catch confusing question or technical issues. While questionnaire save time, they also have a while questionnaire. Sorry. While questionnaire has save time, they also have limit. People might skip question or answer the way they think you want. So use the result carefully and consider supporting them with other data. Then we move to data interview. Griffith discussed interview, a method for getting rich, detailed information straight from people's own words. Unlike questionnaire, interview allow you to ask follow-up question and explore unexpected idea. That there are three types: structured interview with fixed question, semi-structured interview with some flexibility, then unstructured interview that feel like a free conversation. Interview that feel like a free conversation. Yeah, good interview mean more than just asking a question. You need to listen carefully, make people feel comfortable, and avoid leading them to certain answer. Always record interview with permission and keep them confidential. Keep in mind too that analyzing interview can take a lot of time because you often have to transcribe and code what people say. That's why many research combine interview with other methods. Then we move to part 4, data from observation. The third instrument is observation, watching what really happened in the classroom instead of just relying on what people say. Observation help reveal gaps between what teacher or student believe and what they actually do. Griffith explained that there are participant observation where the researcher is part of the activity, and non-participant observation where the researcher stays outside the action. You can also choose structured observation when with checklists or unstructured ones where you take open notes. To reduce bias, plan what you will watch for and write a clear notes or use recording if possible. Again, at this matter, tell people when and why you're observing and respect their privacy. Respect their privacy. Observation can improve your research and also help you grow as a teacher. Then we move to data from diaries and journal. Finally, introduce diaries and journal. These tools allow you, as a teacher or a student, to write about their to feeling and experience over time. A teacher journal might describe that when, well, or what didn't in a lesson, while a student diary might share how they feel about learning. There are also dialogue journal like an informal chat between a teacher and a student through writing. This kind of data is very personal and reflective, which is a big strength but also a challenge. People may write different amount or share only what they're comfortable with. Gravely advise giving clear instruction and assuring participant their writing stays confidential. When used together with other method, diaries and journal add a human touch to research, showing feeling, growth, and deeper context. So, finally, in summary, this part teach us that collecting good data, careful takes need a planning, clear ethic, and the right mix of tools. By understanding and using questionnaire, interview, observation, and journal wisely, teacher can become more confident researcher and better educator too. So thanks for watching this overview. If you found this helpful, keep exploring, refer book, and try applying this idea in your own classroom research. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.